This video is about multiloculated abscess. Welcome to Internal Medicine Made Easy, the online learning platform that provides medical education to healthcare professionals and students to improve their clinical skill and help them in their studies, courses, careers, and research. A multiloculated abscess is a collection of pus that is divided into multiple compartments or loculations within a cavity. These types of abscesses can occur in various tissues of the body and characterized by the presence of several distinct pockets of pus, often separated by fibrous tissue. Causes: infection, most commonly caused by bacterial infections, particularly by organisms like Staphylococcus aureus. Chronic inflammation, conditions such as Crohn's disease can lead to multiloculated abscess formation. Foreign bodies, the presence of a foreign object can lead to localized infection and abscess formation. Symptoms: local symptoms, redness, swelling, and tenderness at the site of the abscess. Systemic symptoms: fever, chills, and malaise if the infection spreads or is severe. Diagnosis: physical examination, initial assessment through inspection and palpation. Imaging: ultrasound, CT scans, or MRI may be used to visualize the extent and loculations of the abscess. Culture: fluid from the abscess can be drained and cultured to identify the causative organism. Treatment: drainage. The primary treatment is to drain the abscess, which can be percutaneously through the skin or surgically, depending on the location and extent. Antibiotics: systemic antibiotics are often prescribed to treat the underlying infection. Management of underlying conditions: addressing any chronic conditions that may predispose to abscess formation.